Abi bir kaçırılan hoş geldin diye. Zaten orada o zaman.
Bir şey istiyor musun diye sormak için aradım.
Yayında deseniz ben bir isim alıp çıkayım. Al. Yayında desiniz değil mi? Yayında desiniz değil mi?
Ne cüzü?
Mahkeme seçileceğiz. Mahkeme Canım benim Kur'an işaret ettiler.
As I know you only speak English and Farsi, right?
Yes, I speak Persian and English. Now we are in Diyarbakır and we have 5 family. PKK affiliated group which is active in Iran's Kurdistan human right, which is Iran's Kurdistan province, and some Kurdish region in Iran kidnapped their children. We have nurse which is studied nursing in university, Sanandaj University in Iran's Kurdistan province, kidnapped by PKK affiliated group, I mean PJAK, and we think in Iran PKK affiliated group like the other countries, I mean United States, EU and Turkey and Iran and Iraq and Syria. We have, we think they are terrorist group, and PYD, PJAK and PKK are terrorist group and kidnap the children, kidnap young girls, kidnap young women and rape children, rape girls. So we are opposite with these actives, and now we are here to say our demonstration to these actives. We think they violate human rights. So Iran's Kurdistan Human Rights Watch is opposite with this illegal and illegitimate action. We have now 5 family with us in Diyarbakır, HDP, HDP headquarters. Okay?
Yes, but how many days do you want to stay? How many days you plan to stay?
Okay. I think 2 or 3 days we will stay in Diyarbakır. We ask Iranian government and Turkish government and international organizations like United Nations Security Council, like United Nations Human Rights Watch, to see this illegal and illegitimate action and take measure against PKK affiliated group in Iran. We are not political, we are only our human rights watch. We want to know the fate of children. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Thank you for having me. Bye.